You just hate when you put all that work into making your curls pop, making your hair or wig look A1, and then you fall asleep in it without a cap or any type of wig protection, or putting it up in a pineapple, and now it's frizzy, curls are flattened, look, flattened, and things are just looking real wild over here. Well, that just happened to me, y'all. I'm a little upset, but that's okay. That is okay, because today I'm going to use a product, or I'm going to be reviewing a product that was sent to me from ThermPouch. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is how the ThermPouch looks. Ignore all of the wrinkles. Obviously, y'all just saw me take it out of the box. But as you can see here, it does have a nice handle to hold the bag. And then on the back side, it also has like this little mesh compartment which you can use to hold some additional trinkets, things like that. And let's not even forget the design. The design is freaking adorable. Like, it is so cute. I would definitely wear this as a purse if it was just a bag, because it's so cute. But anyway, it also has a little power source right here where you can adjust the heat temperature. So you have your off switch, low and high heat settings. Obviously, it's not plugged in right now, so that's why you don't see the light going off, but you will later on in the video. Now, moving on to the inside of the bag, once you unzip it from the top, you have a nice amount of space inside of the bag to work with. And if I didn't mention, the bag does come in two sizes. It comes in small and large. The small one, you probably can hold one wig or equivalent to 3 or 4 bundles in there. This one, you can probably deep condition upwards of 2 to 3 wigs, depending on how much space they take. And then this also does have a drawstring as well, so that you can tighten the bag. I show you guys that I did it for 15 minutes, and then you'll see. All right, y'all, so our time is up. So 15 minutes has passed. I put it on high. Ooh, it's hot, baby. Oh my goodness. Oh, maybe I have to use the drawstring to get closer to the wig. Hold on, let me do that. The string was pulled. It's like scrunched up and closed up in there. So now it's really gonna do its job. So it is scrunched up a little further, so that literally all the heat from the surrounding part of the bag will be penetrated right onto the wig. All right, you guys, so the time has definitely passed. Ooh, a lot of sweating going on in there, honey. Okay, so let's go ahead and open her up. She is hot, 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 hot. So this is how she looks. Ooh, very hydrated and very soft. Okay, yes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash her out with cold water, and then I will add my curling cream, let her air dry, and we're gonna come back for the final results. Okay, y'all, are y'all seeing this after? Okay, this is straight out of the bag. I don't think my hair has ever been this curly after conditioning before. Are y'all seeing this? Like, are y'all really seeing this? Cause I am. And I'm just sitting here like, what? Like, this is crazy. But my curls are super popping right now. Like, get into it, honey. Look at it. Look at it. Just like, look at all the curls. Just wow. Y'all, you guys, are y'all seeing this hair? Are y'all seeing this hair? I don't even know what to say right now, because my curls are popping, okay? Like, when I tell you these things are popping, they popping. There's a mirror behind the camera if you're wondering where I'm looking, and sometimes I look over to the right because the viewfinder is right here, because I can't get over how good my curls are looking right now. Okay, boom. Let me go ahead and begin. Okay, so when I took my wig out of the bag, the first thing that I noticed was how curly the hair was, okay? I noticed how much more defined the curls were before I put them in. So I left it in, technically I left it in there for 30 minutes, but the first 15 minutes the heat wasn't really getting in the wig at all, because when I took it out it wasn't really even hot. It was like cold in some areas and maybe like lukewarm in others, and I'm just like, how is this supposed to be deep conditioning if it's not getting hot? But then I realized the purpose of that drawstring was to tighten the bag so that it's literally wrapped around whatever's inside of the pouch, and then that's how the heat penetrates the hair. So please make sure you take advantage of using that drawstring, okay? You definitely will need to in order for that heat to get in the hair. So then when I took it out the second time, I'm like, yeah, that was where my mistake was. I didn't use the drawstring. But yes, y'all, this hair came out so defined after taking it out from the bag, and I had to put it in the middle part because I just knew my curls were gonna be looking fire. Like, I just knew. I knew. That's why I put it in the middle part, and I never wear a middle part. Like, when do y'all really see me with a middle part? Like, answer that. If you follow me on Instagram, never. That's the answer, is never. Like, I'm feeling like a whole bad bee out here, honey. Oh my gosh, like this, you need the ThermPouch, okay? Just get it. At this point, I don't need to tell y'all nothing else, just get it. So just to recap with you guys, the ThermPouch, not only is it good for conditioning, but it's also good for amplifying your color treatment. So like if you dye hair or you want to bleach hair, perfect. You can literally just drop your product in the bag and then put the bag inside of the pouch, and that will help the heat expedite the process for your bleach. If you're bleaching hair or if you're coloring hair, it intensifies the color and it also expedites the coloring process. So no more having to sit for hours waiting for your color to penetrate, girl. Just throw that thing in the ThermPouch, put it in there for like 30 minutes and you are good to go. Make sure you put it back first and then put it in the pouch, because we don't want to like damage the pouch with all that color and whatnot. But that's pretty much all I got for y'all. I'm just gonna sit here and stare at myself in the mirror for a little while. I'm gonna be vain now, but definitely go ahead and get you a ThermPouch. Like, I don't know what you're waiting on. If this doesn't tell you that you should get it, I don't know what will. Make sure you check the description box down below so you can get you a ThermPouch. I recommend the large one just because you want to make sure you have enough space to, you know, put your wigs, because everybody may not have a straight wig, or you might have curly hair and a lot of it, and you want to make sure there's space, and you might want to deep condition some other wigs at the same time too. So why not just get the large bag so you can just deep condition like 2 or 3 of them at one time? Work smarter, not harder. Anyway, y'all, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much, ThermPouch, for providing me this, because I'm definitely going to be using it. I'm very, very happy with my results, and I am definitely going to add this as well to my routine. Thank y'all again for watching, and I will catch y'all in my next Black-owned business video. Bye!